Okay, the next wine we're going to try is the 2005 vintage of Col Solare. Now, 2005 in the vineyard was actually very similar to 2000 in that it was a balanced year. Early spring, kind of moderately, but on the warm side, temperatures during the growing season in the summer, and then good weather in the fall. It was a year where it really didn't have any big temperature extremes. It wasn't too hot, it wasn't too cold, and really fully ripened the fruit. And that goes across all varieties. Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot, Cabernet Franc, Syrah. 2005, to me, is kind of a benchmark year for Washington. Fully ripe, good power, and a year without extremes in weather, really, one way or the other. This is also a unique vintage for Col Solare in that it is the year where we have the highest percentage of Red Mountain fruit, 17%. In fact, as in future vintages, it continues to go up. But 17% is really a significant amount of fruit from the Red Mountain appellation, which, of course, is where we built our estate and planted our vineyard. We did that because the fruit from Red Mountain really fits the style of the wine that we're trying to make. And I think when we smell and taste this wine, you'll smell and taste those characters. The blend on this is 71 Cab, 25 Merlot, and 4% Cab Franc. And yeah, you can smell, the aromas of this, again, this really dark fruit, black cherry, black currant, a bit of a cocoa. Those are characters that really, that Red Mountain Cabernet, that's what it smells like when it's ripe and at its best. A lot of complexity in this. Has a little bit of clove, a little bit of vanilla type spice from the oak. Aromas are really coming out in the glass on this. And the taste is it's very rich. It has a lot of power. It has a lot of tannin, but the tannins are more sweeter tannins, which again is kind of very, again, a great description of what Red Mountain fruit is. Very long, not chewy, but they're there. I can still taste them now, but they're this nice lingering sweetness, some dark fruit, again almost like a dried fruit aroma, or taste, excuse me, some cocoa on the palate. This wine is really well balanced. If I had one bottle, I'd probably hold on to it for a few more years. I think it's going to continue to get better, but it's obviously drinking really good right now as well. Again, similar maybe to 03, 04, this is a wine that's kind of beginning its climb up to its peak. It's loosened up, it's balanced, but I think with further aging, it should continue to get better.